I chose to work with GO Wales because they provide an opportunity to students who feel they are at a disadvantage and don't necessarily feel they are able to achieve the necessary work placements they hope to gain. Because of GO Wales, I managed to get a one-week work-based placement in Cardiff Council's Cabinet Office, and I worked there for a week, and then the prospects that supplied me with allowed me to get 2 additional work-based placements, in one more in Cardiff Council and then one in Carmarthenshire County Council. What I enjoyed most about the placement was the networking side of things. It was brilliant to get all the work experience under my belt, but it was also good to meet new people and then experience how they have developed their careers. Some of them not so organised, some of them very organised, but it was great to see and then gain the knowledge that I wasn't stuck in one chosen path. The network I developed over the placement has really helped me. I've connected with a lot of the staff members on LinkedIn. They're willing to be a reference on my CV, and they supported my applications for jobs I am now seeking as a graduate. Since I finished the GO Wales programme, I've been able to undertake 2 more work-based placements, and now I have an array of references, an array of skills I'm able to refer to on my CV, and that has also helped me get onto a master's course at Cardiff University. I would recommend GO Wales to every university student. Anyone who is eligible, I would definitely get in contact with GO Wales. There's fantastic staff there to help, and for those who feel they're at the back of the queue in applying for work experience, it really helps you expand your horizon.